Most people believe their future is ruined by big mistakes, a bad decision, a failed relationship, a missed opportunity. But the truth is different. Your future is not destroyed by one big moment. It is quietly damaged by one small habit repeated every day. And most people don't even notice it. That habit is constant distraction, scrolling without purpose, checking your phone every few minutes, avoiding silence, avoiding focus. It feels harmless. It feels normal. But over time, it slowly destroys your ability to think, focus, and grow. Let's talk about what distraction really does to your brain. Every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a price. It loses energy. It loses clarity. Your attention becomes shallow. You start many things, but finish very few. This is why people feel busy all day but make no real progress in life. Distraction trains your brain to avoid discomfort. The moment something feels difficult, boring, or challenging, your brain looks for escape. So you grab your phone. You open social media. You watch random videos. Your brain learns one dangerous lesson. Discomfort should be avoided. But growth only happens through discomfort. Now let's talk about dopamine. Distraction gives quick dopamine hits, likes, messages, new content. Your brain becomes addicted to easy rewards. Slow progress feels painful. Deep work feels exhausting. This is why long-term goals feel harder than ever. Not because you are weak, but because your brain is overstimulated. Here is what makes this habit so dangerous. It doesn't ruin your life today. It ruins it quietly over years. It kills patience. It kills discipline. It kills consistency. And without these three, success becomes almost impossible. Imagine two people. The first person is constantly distracted. They consume content all day. They plan a lot. They start things but rarely finish. The second person protects their focus. They work deeply for a few hours every day. They limit distractions. After 1 year, the difference is massive. Not because one is smarter, but because one trained focus and the other trained distraction. So how do you fix this habit? First, create distraction-free time. Even 30 to 60 minutes a day is powerful. Second, reduce easy dopamine. Less mindless scrolling. Less constant notifications. Third, practice boredom. Let your brain sit without stimulation. This rebuilds focus and creativity. Fourth, do one thing at a time. Multitasking destroys quality and progress. Your future is built by what you do daily, not by motivation, not by big dreams, but by small habits repeated consistently. If you protect your focus, you protect your future. If you don't, distraction will slowly decide your life for you. You don't need to change everything today. Just become aware. Just reduce one distraction. Just create one focused habit. Because the habit that ruins your future can also be the habit that saves it. And that choice starts today.